Not a how-to, me having fun and helping me grow on my woodworking journey. Come along.
Etsy sale in a while. That was really nice. So the customer wanted a cross on the end of their name, and they wanted, let's see if I can find it, the same font and wood as Walter. So what I went off of was the pictures that I have posted on my site. To see if I could find the wood. I really need to take better notes. So here's Walter, and I realized that Walter was the same wood type as the wood floor that we did in our kitchen. So to start with, I googled a cross, silhouette of a cross, and downloaded that, and then took the customer's name and made sure that I had the measurements, because our wood floor is about 3 inches in height. So made sure that I had that correct, and then got the correct font, and then shrunk this all down so it was all touching, so I thought, so I could do it on the scroll saw.
First Etsy sale in a while. My shtick is wooden pet names, but I really will do any sort of wooden name, personalized. This is really neat. I like the cross at the end. So how I got started was we had this flooring left over from when we redid our kitchen. And I was like, I've got to be able to use something with this. So I took this to the table saw and got rid of one of the tongue and grooves. And then I'm going to put the name on here after I sand off everything, and then cut it out on the scroll saw. This always gives me pause. I really like when wood has these neat markings in it. Not everybody does. So do I try to incorporate the markings, or do I go down here and have where it's still really pretty but less of the severe markings? And do I have it on the bottom or the top, the markings? All right, so I went ahead and did 100 grit. Now I'm going to switch this out to 180 and then do 240. Now this part I do a lot by touch, because if you can see my glasses, a little bit of bottle cap action going on there. So I want to be as precise as possible so I can get the grain that I want in this, and so it's not off when I do it on the scroll saw. So I'm making sure, and then I draw my line with my Sharpie. I don't know if you can see this. Then when I go to do the adhesive, I just match up the lines. So I've got this cut out. There were a few moments there I wasn't sure it was going to make it. But I think it turned out pretty well. I took it to the mop sander. So this guy helps me softly round all of the edges, so it's not so sharp looking.